A renewable energy industrial precinct would be great for Switchton. Renewables are about community, and this is about building a community around innovation to create opportunity. We want to be part of that.
A renewable energy industrial precinct would be great for diffuse energy because it will allow us to collaborate with like-minded companies, say the solar panel providers and battery providers, to provide turnkey solutions to our customers.
A renewable energy industrial precinct will be great for our company to be co-located with like-minded companies and practice what we preach, being powered off renewable energy.
A renewable energy industrial precinct would be great for BME because it would increase synergies, it would reduce costs and also bring together like-minded people.